To do the barbell squats, stand upright, push your chest out, make a notch at the lower back, stand with your feet about 12 inches apart or 14 inches apart. When you go down, make sure that your hips are parallel to the floor or a little bit more. Another thing to remember is to keep your torso straight. This time with the barbell, grab the bar, step one leg forward, place the bar on your trapezius muscles, unrack the bar, get yourself in place, and make sure that the bar is placed on your trapezius muscles all throughout the movement and not on your neck, because it might damage on your cervical spine. And here we are, going parallel to the floor. It helps if you can go a little bit more while keeping your torso straight. Repeat this process again and again, and that's how you do the barbell squats.